So hey friends, what's up? Today is magnificent tutorial of this Casio. What is the name of this Casio G-Shock digital black dial men's watch gd351 BDR G441? This is like most gossip watch because the dial was black, that negative dope display, the auto wake up light function. I will show you, just wait. Okay, yes, auto light baby. Oh, yes, yes, it's waking up. Yeah, cool. Okay, so now it's off. Okay, so in this video I will be giving you a tutorial video of this watch. Let me move my tripod so you would get a clear view of the watch. So my friends, this is the watch. Sorry for the deterioration of the video because I'm shooting this video on my smartphone. Sorry. So yes, this is the watch. This is A, B, C, D, and this is L, light button. Okay, so on first click you will get the world time clock. So UTC over here, you can get 100 cities time over here. So this, you can scroll up Lisbon, Caspandia, London, Madrid, Paris, Angeles, Brussels or Brussels, Amsterdam, Zurich, Frankfurt, Oslo, Rome, Copenhagen, and Berlin, Stockholm, Busan, Warsaw, Cape, Sofia, Athens, Helsinki, Istanbul, Quebec, Cairo, Jerusalem, Moscow, Addis, Jeddah, Tehran, Dubai, Kabul, Karachi, Delhi, Kathmandu, Novus. Okay, you'll get, yes, I just will keep rolling. Okay, so yes, the first was timekeeping mode, second is world time, third is alarm. You get 5 alarm total in this watch. So you can start it 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so this is off, this is stopwatch, this is timer, and yes, this is timekeeping mode. This also vibration thing, so you can hear it. Just hear it. I will place my mic near to the watch so you can hear it. Okay, so the vibrations are strong itself. The illumination is also strong in this sunny day. It's about the time is not right over here, so I just unboxed this thing, and yes, so yes, this is the watch. And what's tutorial in this watch? Everything is good. The display looks damn cool. Chic display. The timer Monday. Okay, so yes,